Alright, we're doing a 1969 Mustang 351. We're going to do the big brake kit front disc conversion. Super easy. Just got to take out the castle nut, cotter pin and all that stuff. Keep all your spare parts together. Disconnect the brake line. In the back here you got 4 bolts there. You see one, there's one below it, 2, and there's some on the other side over there. There's 4 bolts. Just take them all off. And this whole assembly, see how it's rocking forward? Everything will come out. And you just slide the whole assembly off. And that's it, literally, the whole assembly slides off. So, we'll clean this up, get everything inspected, and we'll get the front disc brakes turned on. Bolt the dust cover and caliper bracket to the spindle. Torque it down and use some Loctite. Alright, the next part of the 69 Mustang big brake kit upgrade is installing cleaning first the rotor, all the surfaces, and installing and packing the bearings, grease seal, and if you don't have races in there, you got to install the races that the bearings ride on. Essentially, it's these little guys. See that? That piece of metal right there would have to be pressed into here. I already have a set in here, so after you pack the bearings, everything goes in, bearing goes down, and you install the seal. Alright, the seal is installed, the bearing is in there. Don't worry about putting too much grease. You really want to pack these things because, I mean, the next time you take them off is when you're going to need to replace the rotors anyways. So pack it full of grease. Pack the inside tunnel in there full of grease, but leave the center open for when you push the spindle on. Put a little bit of grease here when we go back together. Down here. Not too much up here though, because you don't want to push the seal in there and then grease be all back here and it gets hot and it runs down. I don't like the idea of that. So a little bit of grease before the taper, and you should be good. You just come in, tighten everything down as you normally would. Your regular spindle bearings. You tighten them all the way down till they're tight. Back them off, spin it, tighten it back down, back it off, spin it, tighten it back down, back it off, spin it, you know. Just follow the manual for your specific car. And then there's the bolts that bolt right in there. Everything's grade 8 hardware. Nice pad setup. 4 piston. We'll do the other side. Put a master cylinder on it. Proportioning valve for the rear drums. And you're set to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.